Princess Cruises offers a fantastic loyalty program known as Captain Circle, and in this video I'm going to tell you all about it. I'm Adrian, the Cruise and Travel Guy, and just a quick thanks to everyone that has subscribed to my channel. I do appreciate it, and if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. You're automatically enrolled into the Princess Cruises Captain Circle program after your first cruise, where you basically become a gold member straight away. On your second cruise, you'll be identified on board with a gold-colored cruise card, and you'll also be enjoying a few extra perks. Some of these include special cruising offers throughout the year, launch savings, which generally give you a saving when you book a newly released cruise by a certain date. You'll also get access to a Circle host on board who ensures you receive everything you're entitled to, and they can also give you a complimentary Princess passport and destination stamps, so you can keep a record of all of the incredible places you visit with Princess. You'll also get a loyalty pin that you can wear if you feel like advertising your gold status. Of course, you graduate to higher levels of the Princess Cruises Captain Circle program by cruising more, and there are two methods that Princess use to calculate your tier. Each guest accrues 1 cruise credit per cruise, or 2 cruise credits per cruise sailed in a suite or as a solo guest. They also count the total number of nights cruised, and either can be used to determine your tier level. Princess is known for running lengthy voyages, and so you can quite easily skip the ranks if you've only cruised once or twice, but on long journeys. For example, the next tier up from Gold is Ruby, and you'll achieve Ruby status by your 4th cruise credit or after cruising 31 days. In addition to gold benefits, you'll have access to a shoreside Captain Circle help desk, as well as that all-important Ruby pin to wear. Up from Ruby, Platinum is where you'll start to enjoy some more perks. Platinum is reserved for those guests that have achieved their 6th cruise credit or cruised 51 days. As a Platinum member, you'll enjoy priority check-in at embarkation, complimentary internet minutes on board, a special nightly event for Platinum and Elite members that offers reduced price drinks and complimentary hors d'oeuvres. In my experience, you'll also receive a complimentary cocktail voucher with compliments of the captain, and at the conclusion of the cruise, you'll have your very own Platinum disembarkation lounge to enjoy while you wait for your debark time. And the top tier for the most loyal of Princess guests is the aptly named Elite level. Elite level members of Captain Circle enjoy all of the aforementioned benefits, plus exclusive early booking windows for new itinerary releases, which I know for a fact you all took advantage of with this latest Coral Princess World Cruise and Round Australia voyage. Priority ship to shore tendering when in port is another perk, as well as a complimentary one-time minibar setup in your stateroom. You'll also get complimentary shoe shining, complimentary laundry, deluxe canapes delivered to your stateroom on formal night by request, complimentary afternoon tea in your stateroom, which is normally reserved for full suite guests only, as well as complimentary wine tasting experience on board and upgraded bathroom amenities. You'll also get a 10% discount throughout the onboard shops, as well as special onboard get-togethers with complimentary drinks and nibbles, and finally at the conclusion of your cruise, priority disembarkation at whatever time suits you and your onward travel arrangements, as well as your own disembarkation lounge. So there's no doubt that Elite members have access to the best loyalty benefits on board Princess, but for sure, everyone that is a repeat cruiser with Princess has some form of recognition. And I know many of you watching are already members of the Captain Circle program, so let me know in the comments below what level you are and what perks you enjoy most. And if you're not a member, perhaps let me know what perks you look forward to enjoying the most. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe, and you can also reach out to me if you're looking at booking a cruise of your own. You can head to thecruiseandtravelguy.com.au, and you can also follow me on social media, both Facebook and Instagram at The Cruise and Travel Guy. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you soon.